Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, live on location. I did not know that I would be right outside the door of a class. So if you hear that in the background, please excuse me. But there is a fitness class that is happening right about now. Yo, 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 Brian is in the building. Brian, can you hear me? There is a class going on behind me. I just want to know if you can hear me. Dr. J, let me know if you can hear me. There's a class going on behind me, and I don't know what is, if my volume is coming through or not. Hear you loud and clear. Yes, sir. A booty workout is what's going on. Yes, sir. How you doing? But we are on location and we are ready to trade. Absolutely ready to trade. Alrighty. I was wondering because there's a class behind me that is going very hard and very strong. But we've made it. And for now, we are looking at the SPY. Hello? Yes, how can I help you? Because that's what time it says the pickup is, 1 o'clock. Oh, okay. See, I misunderstood it. I read it wrong. Yes. Yeah, I said about 11 o'clock. Okay. All right, sorry about that, guys. Good morning, Dan. Giving the pre-market an opportunity to, giving the market open an opportunity for the charts to develop. Want to pull up yesterday's action. Eventually, she did hit that 495.5. So she did hit her yesterday, eventually. Mm. Mm. So we have been doing a little bit of downtrending since yesterday. Back to the morning look. Guys, I don't know how much longer. I still need a little bit of tweaking that I need to do with this live broadcast because I'm noticing the delay. There is a longer delay from my screen and what you guys are looking at. Oh, no, it's not. I had to speed my screen up. Okay, that's better. I was concerned about that delay. Awesome, awesome. Okay. There we go. All right, it's better now. Much better now. Got pre-market up so we can get an idea. Crazy day yesterday. A real, true roller coaster ride yesterday. Sometimes I see that, but I refresh it, and it's usually just on my end. Yep, thank you for that, Dan. Ead, good morning. Good morning. We are here allowing the SPY to do what it does. I want to take a look real quick at my daily. We had a big move yesterday evening by the Bulls from the 494, which is definitely understandable. They did the same thing last week at the same area, that 494. That weekly support is definitely being respected. Could be a double bottom forming. Okay. And it is a double bottom forming. But however, it is a lower low. This is a lower low than this bottom. Okay. See what I mean about it forming that lower low? Attempting to try to break pre-market low right now. Nice. First 5 minutes, very volatile. First 15 minutes can trick you. What a bounce from pre-market low from the 495 area. And there's that trap. As we say, the first 15 minutes can trick you. There is a sample of being tricked. Still no clear pattern, no clear structure, no clear trade. Again, just allowing the charts to form. I do see a little bit of a call on the horizon, but I want to give the algos a little more time to form possible. There's that call that I saw. Potentially, I'm gonna put these algos up here, but I don't like it per se, Your Honor. Just not early enough. Aaron is in the building. The usual suspects are here. That's why I told you I didn't like it, but I still wanted to draw it so we can still see if we fail out of this algo. If so, we might continue down and retest pre-market low. Still not an ideal trading setup as of yet. Not a time. That's also why I didn't want to go pick this load up early. Right back to the top of the algo. Looks like we might break through now. We do have some liquidity here that could be grabbed by the bulls using these bears. There is some liquidity here. So there is a liquidity grab right now, and we see it breaking right out. You see it right through the algo, right on top with the continuation move. Yeah. Cannot hide it. We saw exactly as it happened. We saw it exactly as it happened. Mm. A lot of time left in this 5-minute candle. Wow. Right past pre-market high. Right up to pre-market high. Right up to the line that we drew. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. Sooner or later, I'm going to start taking these trades. Sooner or later, clear breakout from the algo. And as soon as it did, it jumped. Rejection right at that line. That was to be expected as well. On the 10 o'clock hour. What a move. On the 10 o'clock candle. Having a little bit of resistance right now at this level. Let's go ahead and do away with that algo. Guinea. This is acting as intraday supply. Being that I am traveling today, I will trade with less contracts. Being that I'm traveling and trading, and really only looking for A plus setups. I look forward to taking these algo breaks though when I get back in the office, because that was a nice trade from this break to here. That's not coming up as Atlanta. It's coming up as College Park. What a trick. I thought we were going to have a put out of this area, especially with this huge green candle, nice hangman. Trading below it will force these bulls here to start covering. That would at least bring us back down to VWAP, possibly. It's coming right here. I'm gonna reduce my size potentially. Got the fake out. We got the close, but we did not get the continuation. The Bulls saved it. I repeat, the Bulls saved it temporarily. The risk versus reward is not that great, especially with VWAP being your first potential profit taking area. $0.20 is nothing. The risk versus reward is not there. The risk versus reward is not there. Screenshot. We are breaking potentially pre-market high. We're also retesting supply. This could also be a retest of supply move as well. Let me go ahead, identify that as supply and put that line up so that you know it is supply. So we do have supply here now. So now we have the retest of supply, which is also a bearish signal here. The bears are definitely coming back in very strong right now. The bears are coming in very strong right now. How you doing? Again, we have the retest of supply, and now we actually have trading lower. Well, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna grab me some water real quick. We still not doing anything. Look like we about to retest supply. Still nothing. I'll be right back, guys. Be patient.
I love it. That's right, that's right.
Right back to the same situation. A retest of supply. Again, no clear structure. No structure, no trade. And that's what we do. Either we make money or we keep it safe. We do not do anything in between, guys. Let me go ahead and put up where I think demand is. Wow. Again, just trying to identify possibly where we might have a demand area at. Yep, saw that coming. Saw that coming. VWAP being the first resistance, first profit taking area. That couldn't have been anticipated. You couldn't have anticipated that move. It happened so fast. There was no clear setup. You just could not have anticipated that move. Maybe. Maybe. But again, from 495.66 to 495.40, please don't be upset or think you lost anything or missed out on anything, because from here to here is a 20-cent move. So you haven't missed anything with that particular move. Now, if we can close below VWAP and get a continuation candle, now we can start to put pressure on these morning bulls. We can start to put pressure on these morning bulls. But the bulls are fighting back, which is why we're not an early bear, because you could imagine how sick they must be looking at the option price with still over 2 minutes left in this candle. That is a lot of time left in the candle. And anything can happen in that time. If I could get you guys to please hit the like button, I would greatly appreciate it. We got 10 people watching and only 1 like. I know the action is not extremely hot and fast today, but I still do appreciate you guys for joining in and tuning in. And I would appreciate it if you hit the like button. For some of you, maybe I haven't deserved your like yet, and that's no problem. I respect that. For right now, guys, I like this area of the 495 1 as possible demand. There's a continuation, but I mean, I just don't like it. The range on it, to me, is not worth my money. And that's what I'm looking at everything. Yes, we recognize the play. Yes, we saw it. Yes, we knew about the continuation. For those of you who want to take it, please feel free. But this is a 30-cent candle, so maybe that might be 10, 15 cent on the option price at best. It's just not ideal for me. It's not textbook for me. We see a bounce here at demand. We see the bulls coming back in very strong here at demand at this 495 1 area, right exactly where I drew this demand area box. You can see the bulls, you see the bears coming down to it, but the bulls rejecting these lower prices right now and starting to buy the stock up at this price area. Which is also a reason why I did not jump into that continuation candle, because there is a lot of time left on this 5-minute candle. Over a little under 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. So it's not the kind of trade that I particularly want. And even from supply to demand is 83 cents. If you caught it at the top and took it all the way down, it's 83 cents. So on the option price, maybe 25 cents on the option price, which is good, but that's an ideal play, catching it right out of supply. The stock has to move. It's going to always move. But we don't have to trade, and that is the key thing. We can sit and wait for ideal setups. I can't see you guys' comments. I apologize. If you're saying something, what a move by the Bulls. What a move by the Bulls right out of demand. Unbelievable, guys. Told you it was way too much time left on the clock. You have to look at the 5-minute clock also when you get ready to make your move. We can make money in that 5-minute, but if you are in too early, you can get destroyed. I don't know where the comments went. I can't even see the comments. I'll give up on the comments. Okay. I did this time. Let's look at the 30-minute chart real quick. Not a lot of decisiveness. What would really move me is if we broke below pre-market low. But there is strength all in this area as the 494 is acting as a magnet. And there is a lot of bullish presence in the 494. You can see it here. You can see it here. You can see it here. Now, the good thing about it is if we are able to get the price down below it to put some pressure on the bulls to cover, there could potentially be a very nice drop to the downside. But right now, there is a lot of support in the 494 area, 494.5 area. There is a lot of bullish support in this area that right now is keeping the stock from going any lower. The bulls gave it a very valiant effort in the last part of their previous 30-minute candle. Very valiant effort leading into this current 30-minute candle where we at now. But right now we are, demand is acting as demand, and the bulls are buying in at demand. Potential call out of demand, putting pressure on these bears. There is a potential call out of demand. Just not textbook for me, but I do see it. Thank you guys. For those of you who hit the like button, and for those of you who didn't, I will try harder. I'm going to put this up this small intraday algo right now. So two things can happen here. We can have a break of this algo to the downside. I would love to see that, a close here, and then a continuation move. That would be fabulous. And also to the upside, a break out of this algo with the continuation candle will put a squeeze on these bears and potentially take us to new highs for today. The thing that I'm going to do now is go ahead and set alarms. Set alarm and supply. So if we get to supply, we either might break supply, we'll have a rejection from supply. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set an alarm here underneath demand to get notified if price moves below demand. And that is going to be it for me today. If price does break this, then I will look for continuation structure. But I will still keep in mind that we are heavy with bullish presence in this whole area. Let me go ahead, eliminate pre-market high. I'm sorry, pre-market, so we can see here. This is what we're looking at, guys. So again, there is a lot of bullish presence in this area down here. So I will I don't know. If anything, I'll probably look for a call out of here. Maybe a hammer. That is probably something that I will look forward to. A hammer out of this area. As far as a put, I don't like it. It's just very heavily congested. So I have my alarm set at 495.01 and 495.96. And this will be my range for today. Right now, the small algo is showing us that we are right now temporarily trending down. But if we get a close beneath this demand, then this could possibly start putting some pressure on these bulls, forcing them to really reevaluate their situation. These are the bulls that I'm talking about right here, guys. These are the bulls that have the power and the strength that the bears are trying to attempt to get them to cover. Ask yourself, if you were a bull in this candle, where would you begin to stop out, take profits, or cover at? And that is the same psychology that they are potentially using as well. But knowing that they have reinforcement, please only consider textbook setups only. Textbook setups only on a day like today. I'm going to go ahead and end this right now. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll probably get back on this afternoon to do an end of market recap to see where the trades were. But just keep in mind the danger area here with the bulls. There is a potential short here. Yep. Again, you see the strength of the bulls right there, guys. That's going to be it for me. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I can't read the comments, but I do appreciate you. I know it's not our regular time, but I'm traveling. But I still wanted to get on here. Still look at the market, give the market a good opportunity to present something to us. I still want to show you where supply is, where demand is, where the alarms are, and what to potentially look for. You could potentially look for a continuation or even a put out of supply. And I will probably look for a call down in this area. Again, alarm is set at 495.01 and 495.96. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you so much. Bye for now.